special parking place.
Help me out of the car. You need a hand, old lady. Got your necklace on. Come on, let me help you. What is that? I'm gonna kill somebody. I pulled up and I saw that green. I'm thinking that Tracy Randall didn't see the dang bird. Let me wipe myself in here. I might need to help her. Oh my gosh.
That is too funny.
I gotta have a picture of that sign.
Yeah, you can have a picture of the sign.
Oh my god. Y'all gonna be 50 one day. Not for a long time. I gotta call Parker, tell him to come up here. Tell Fred, is Fred seen this? No. Oh my Lord. Oh, I done tore a streamer off. Oh, we probably got some more.
Yeah, you gotta go in there and see all your decorations.
I can't get in there. Over. You gotta come by here. No.
Look,
Here.
you got
another.
several.
Oh, what is that? Preparation H now? Hell, I can't say what it is. I mean, I'm not kidding. I couldn't get a contact in this eye.
All right, get her the other one. It's on top of the other thing over there.
Oh my Lord. Wait a minute. Read it for me, honey bunny. Hot flash. That's what I'm having right now. Liposuction. Oh, I need them. Hey, I need all that. Girl. Get it out, girl. Girl, I'll be swinging away. I ain't never.
Look, you got your whistle over there.
Oh, I'm going to use it on y'all today at lunch.
You know how it gets when you're over the hill, you don't have a lot of breath.
Medical alert whistle. Wait. I got one. Hey, I dedicate you, honey bunny. I dedicate you, sweetheart. I dedicate you gonna get hit when it comes out. Never. Hey, come out here now.
Yeah, no, you gotta keep your balloons in there.
Yep. Look at here. Y'all know I'm old. I don't know if I can climb over these worms. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, I got me some dice. She likes to roll.
They're decision dice.
Oh, yeah, well. Contemplate once a day. That don't mean sex. Don't you record this. Now, this one I like. Take a nap. I need a nap. Tracy kept me out so much.
I need a nap. I've been here since 8 o'clock waiting on you.
I got up at 6.